Welcome to, is it the end of the week? I think it's the end of the week, or it might be Thursday. Depends when I upload this video. Regardless of what day it is, it's quite close to the end of the week. We've got a few parts arrived, so we can actually just bolt bits together hopefully and just see how it goes. Only downside is, I've left my tripod down the unit, so I don't know if I can do any time lapse, otherwise I'm just going to have to show you bit by bit. So let's show you the parts. Well, there's parts. I did get to find my tripod in the end. Got myself an alternator bracket, hopefully it's the correct one. I might as well, I bought myself a brake pressure switch while I'm there, brand new one. New rubber ring for the fuel tank, some bushes for the engine steady mount, some nuts and bolts for the engine mount, some cotton wheels for the exhaust, and 2 indicators. We've got some bumpers that I've picked up as well. We've got some rubber for the door strips and stuff like that. So I've got enough. Which I want to try and do is put the boot back on, out of the way, get it out of the way and looked after. So yeah, let's go do that. Started putting the boot back together a little bit. Just be careful when you put these hook catches on, because you end up doing them wrong. So basically, make sure you've got your lever pointing upwards when you put it on, otherwise you end up not being able to open and lock the bonnet, the boot. So yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, I know this is the wrong bonnet, Mark II. So what I'll do is I think I'm going to bolt the hinges loosely to the car, and then we'll put them on second onto there. Yeah, okay, you have little gaskets for these as well, just so it's not metal to metal, and they do perish after a while quite easily. And yeah, get into them somehow. Two different types. You've got one that goes on the boot part, and the one that goes on the thingamabob part, lower valance, lower panel. So yeah, it goes on like that and screws through. Normally I think originally the cars were painted with the screws on as well. I didn't do that, so we're just going to put stainless steels on there. Somebody can change the chrome and all that sort of stuff if they want to bling it up later, or just get a touch-up pen and paint over them. Watch the hinges, they're handed, so put them the wrong way, the boot's not going to shut. Yeah, simple one. Rubber, easier to do it from the inside out because it's smaller on the way out. So what I might do is, before putting the boot on, which I don't know if I get a chance to do in this episode, is put the tank in. But before we put the tank in, we need to make sure we connect the lights up, and then the wiring loom tucked out of the way. Okay, next shiny thing to go on is the bumper, which obviously you realise that I didn't have the bumpers until now. When I remade all these panels along here, I didn't drill any holes, which I should have done. So what we need to do is carefully re-drill them. Won't go berserk because we only need 3 holes, because the bumper's only got 3 holes, 3 studs. We drill the holes, check the bumper fits, put a little bit of paint back on where we've drilled the holes, and go from there. So yeah, what I might do is have a quick look at the front, get an idea of where the holes should be to the distance. The only key thing I've got to be careful of is I don't put it mounted too close, so it hits the thing. I know they're always a bit of a pain to get on anyway, so we might even put some masking tape on it to make it look professional. Wow, it's on. It's not a bad fit. Once I get it bolted down and pulled down, Yeah, that'll look alright. We'll whip it off, put a little bit of paint on the holes, just try and attempt to stop them rusting. But backs of those minis there just rust anyway, they're just filled with water. So yeah, hopefully this one lasts a bit longer. Okay, I can't remember whether I told you whether I'd actually fitted the bumper in the last bit of the section of the video. Anyway, we finished it. It's the end of the day, end of Friday. It's the weekend, so we've got loads to do over the weekend. What we have got quickly time to do is just go check this bracket, because I need to be editing this video. You don't unbelievably know how close I am to 7 o'clock. But yeah, I was just trying to at least make this at least a decent sized video. First thing we do, it's a weekend, open a beer. Oh, it's been one of those days. Absolutely hectic and manic. Looks like it's not far off. I wonder if we've got a spanner. We've got a spanner. Spanner, Matthew? I know I am a spanner. Bear with. Let me know what you're up to, guys, what your projects you're on at the weekend. We've got just some Sainsbury's pizzas for tea. So, oh, this ratchet seems not brilliant. Oh, look at that. It's not good, is it? Yeah. Don't tell the daughter that's her ratchet. Oh, I've got no other ratchets left. Got no spanners. We have to resort to old school. So, but I've got a 13mm spanner. Yeah, okay. Go. We're on it. Come on. Let's see if we can do we can bolt something on this last. Come on, Dad. Why'd you? Oh, look, I'm taking all the paint off now that you put on there. Yeah, we bosh this on. We've got so much to do. We've got all the engine steady bushes now. We sorted out the brakes the other day, so my dad had labelled them up wrong. Well, he hadn't labelled them up. Well, yeah, he labelled them up wrong basically. He thought this upgraded brake. Pardon my language there. A bit more strength than that. I don't know if anybody noticed, but the reason my spanner wasn't turning was because I was resting against the oil pipe, which was absolutely an idiot. But we got away with it. Ah, my dad didn't even paint under the brackets. What a cheap job. Hey, I forgot about that. Now where did I put the bracket, guys? What did I do with it? Come on, what did I do with it? Huh? It's in my pocket. It's in my pocket. I was a little bit worried that there's maybe two types of brackets depending on whether it's a 1275 or not. And the block. But we're about to find out whether I just randomly picked something off eBay which was not quite right. Oh, get in the hell. I think that's right. This looks like a fraction there actually, but I think that'll be alright, that'll go on. Yeah. So yeah, all good. Whew. So anyway, yeah, as I said, Sainsbury's pizzas tonight. We got this on, so that's another job done. So over the weekend, what have we got to do, guys? All the plumbing brakes can go back in. We've got to get the front hubs on. They're waiting to go back on. I think, to be honest, I don't think I can put them on yet because I need to. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I forgot there was slotted holes in the bottom there. So we won't do it up completely tight. We'll wait till we get the other bolt in. And yeah, so yeah, we can't put the hubs on because we're waiting for the inner boot drive shafts, inner boot CB booty type things that they aren't really CVs on this. But anyway, technically I think we've got enough stuff to get this car running, but I think that's mostly pushing it for the weekend. We've got lots to crack on with. But anyway, see you next time. See you Monday. Take it easy, everyone.